up, y'all? It's your boy Rob Details. You see that tank in the back right now. We're about to go fill up the tank. So I was in the vlogger now because I'm currently driving and I cannot be vlogging while driving, but I was in the vlog once we get to the shop to fill up some water, and I'm gonna get myself the hydro too. If y'all know what that is, y'all know what that is. If you know, you know. That's a ceramic spray, but that's just a temporary ceramic spray. It only lasts about 1 to 3 months on your vehicle. Yo, what's up, y'all? So we're just right here at the fill up spot. As you can see, there's these cars in front of me, or trucks in front of me right now. I gotta wait for them to fill up, but that way I can fill up right after. So I'm here doing the vlogger now. About to go inside the shop, get that chemical, show you guys a specific chemical that I'm gonna get right now, and I'll show you guys how that chemical looks right now, so you guys can go ahead and see how the bottle is, the color of it, and show you guys a little bit more, which I'm gonna use right now. All right, y'all, so check it out. We got the hydro 2 right here. This thing is used by a lot of detailers, and they said it's actually a pretty good chemical. It bonds to your vehicle surface, to the paint, to the clear coat very well, and it adds a ceramic coating to your vehicle, and it just makes the water beds a whole lot better, and your water just slides right off, protects your vehicle from bird debris, dirt, and water when it rains. So that's a plus, y'all. See, you gotta pop this thing open, pop the bad boy open. I always tighten that thing. Look at that water, y'all. Purified, H2O only, quality at its finest. Dollars right now. Eat my dollars, eat my dollars. 1, 2. Damn, look at that, just eat my money. Purified, check it out. It's not regular water. This water is purified. It runs through a lot of decontaminations, and it's the best water for your vehicle. Protects it. Easier to wash with cars as well, and it just makes your surface of the vehicle super smooth and shiny. Stay tuned. I was in the vlogger now. Once I get back to the house, because I got to fill up this tank all the way to the 90-gallon mark, and then yeah, and we'll cut the show on the road later on once I start on the vehicles, y'all. One more thing, y'all, I also forgot to say, I got a tire shine for free. I just get these for free with points when I purchase stuff, like 160 points. So this is just basically for like shiner, for like the interior of your vehicle, just like that, like all the plastics. This is like a shiner, all that good stuff. So yeah, I just needed to tell you guys that. Sheesh, I just came to the store to grab some of these waters, and that's crazy. I remember these things used to be like 3 of these for 10 bucks. Now it's like 3 for 20. Like, what in the tarnation has this world got into? Sheesh, your boy's already running late. I had to stop by really quick. 7-Eleven. These are, if you know, you know. If you're a detailer, these are the best. Sheesh. Let's see what gas prices are at right now. They ain't that bad. They used to be worse before. They're at $4.13 cash. Sheesh. Yo, what's up in the dealio? It's your boy Rob Details. You already know. Sheesh. I'm on my way right now to the client's house. Had to stop at Popeyes, grab a quick bite. You already know. They have some Cajun fries, ranch and barbecue. Has some chicken strips. So we just arrived right here to the client's house. I haven't had Popeyes in forever, y'all. They're a small little kids meal, but that'll do the jiffy. Sheesh. I didn't even know I get a biscuit. I thought it came with 3 chicken tenders. I guess it just comes with 1. Take a bite of that biscuit. Delicioso. So we just got here right now. We're about to work on this Lexus CT200H. We're about to work on this one. Just get the regular wash, clean the wheels inside the wheel barrels as well right here, the tire wash, tires, all that good stuff. We're gonna clean the windows, clean the interior, the plastics, 100% hand wash. This is gonna be the basic wash and vacuum on the exterior, windows cleaned in and out, all that good stuff. Yeah, and then we're gonna do another vehicle as well. Right now they're gonna come in. I'm gonna park it right there. So right now we're gonna start by rinsing the vehicle. We're gonna just rinse the outside of the vehicle first to get rid of all that on the vehicle. You see all those little water spots and dirt. If you don't wash your vehicle correctly, 100% hand wash, you will scratch the clear coat and scratch the paint as well. So this is the Lexus I was talking about. It's currently right here. It's the IS300. You see all those little dust on top of the vehicle's paint. I gotta go. See all that? If you don't wash the vehicle correctly, you could scratch your vehicle's clear coat and paint. See all that? We're about to touch it up. These vehicles are both going to get the basic wash and vacuums, interior plastics, windows, exterior paints, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get to action. About to rinse off both vehicles really quick. Alright, y'all, so you seen there, I just pre-rinsed the vehicles right now. See all the water top of the vehicle. I just pre-rinsed the vehicles right now. They're pre-rinsed. Both vehicles are pre-rinsed. I'm about to hit them right now. Well, after I gotta do the wheels first all the time. About to do the inside, spray my chemical so the wheelbarrows can stay clean. As you can see, this vehicle has already been maintained by me, so the wheelbarrows are already clean. They ain't that dirty, but I still gotta hit the wheels, then the tire walls, tires, all that good stuff. And then we'll start with the foaming down the vehicles, scrubbing out the vehicles, and show you guys all that good stuff. Stay tuned. So right now, guys, we're just cleaning the wheelbarrows inside the wheels. As you can see right there, clean up the wheelbarrows, because the wheelbarrows count. You gotta have the inside of your wheels, not just the faces of the wheels, but the inside of the wheels right here. As you can see, those wheelbarrows, they gotta be clean, super duper clean. This wheel already got cleaned out, as you can see as well. The inside of the wheelbarrow is clean, so it's ready to go. Just needs a rinse. I gotta hit all the other 3 wheels, front, driver's, passenger, and the rear passenger. Gotta do all those wheels right now, and I was in the vlog. All right, y'all, it's time to change this nozzle. Foam cannon, this is what throws your guys' soap. Got it on. So now you can go ahead and turn on the machine. Hit it. Woo! See that? On both vehicles, y'all. All right, y'all, so now we just foamed up the vehicles. They're in their pre-soaking stage. They're soaking up right now. As you can see it right there. I'm gonna let them soak up a little bit more, then get the Hammett and start wiping down the vehicles. Next up is getting rid of the soap, rinsing them down, drying them out. All right, y'all, so both vehicles are fully through rinsed. As you can see, the water is just hitting pretty on the paint. So these vehicles are both fully rinsed, and now it's time to dry the wheels, tire walls, as well as the 2 vehicles, dry everything up on the outside wheels, and then armor on the tires. I was in the vlog right now on the gas caps too. You can't forget the gas caps though. Soy mexicano, sabes la mi bandera. Vehicles are ready to roll. They're dry. All right, y'all. So now it's the stage of vacuuming. Cleaning up the interior right now. I see it. All right, y'all, so that interior, as you can see, ready to roll. Just gotta clean up a couple others I gotta go too. We just gotta clean up the windows now. That's good. This one's good too. Sheesh. Sheesh. This interior is done too. Just gotta do the other side now. Yeah, look at those lines on the carpet. Just the windows on all vehicles. And ready to roll. See those windows? Sheesh. All the plastic seats, red goods, vacuum, plastics cleaned out. Look at those wheels, tire walls, wheelbarrows inside cleaned out. Brand new, fresh out the lot. You already know. So let's give you guys a full walk around of the vehicles. But you guys see that all the plastics, center console, quality. Well, that's the final outcome of these vehicles right here. Hybrid are ready to roll. That's that, yeah. It's the basic wash and vacuums, but we gotta take our time, make these things look fresh out the lot. Tap in. I forgot to tell you guys, I regularly go fill up when this is empty, but I got 70 gallons left, so it's not empty. I'm not gonna go fill up. Still got some H2O left in there, y'all. Sheesh. Let's check it out one more time. Look at that H2O in there. Damn, look at that crystal clear water. Tap in. All right, y'all, so that was the end of today's vlog. Tomorrow I'm gonna come here. Sorry for the background noise because someone's working with the drill in the back, but that was the end of today's vlog. I'm gonna come back right here at this neighborhood tomorrow as well and touch up some other vehicles, so stay tuned. You already know, never give up, keep moving forward, always strive for success, and sooner or later I might have my helper record me so I can make better videos for y'all, more content, more stuff. Stay tuned. Appreciate the love and support. More videos to come, y'all.
42 got my head spinning. What's playing as a team, bitch, we winning.